Imagine a world where creatures not only survive, but thrive by using the sun's power in ways we never thought possible. Welcome to the mysterious, colorful world of sea slugs. Meet the green sea slug, one of the most fascinating creatures in the ocean. At first glance, it may seem like just another little underwater critter, but its ability to photosynthesize like a plant is something straight out of science fiction. The Alesia chloritica, commonly known as the Eastern Emerald Alesia, has a secret. It steals the chloroplasts from the algae it eats and stores them inside its own cells. This remarkable process is called photosymbiosis, turning the slug into a kind of living solar panel. As it grazes on algae, it absorbs these microscopic powerhouses, allowing it to absorb sunlight and produce its own energy. In other words, this little slug doesn't need to hunt for food as much, it's essentially making its own solar fuel. But the green sea slug is just one of over 3,000 species of sea slugs that call our oceans home. Let's dive deeper into this incredible family of creatures. Take the Nudibranch, for example. With their dazzling, vibrant colors, they are often called sea butterflies. These slugs are not just beautiful, they're tough. Some species of nudibranchs can even eat poisonous creatures like sponges and jellyfish, and then store their toxins for defense. It's like they've created their own personal armor. These beautiful slugs also come in all sorts of colors and patterns, from bright reds and yellows to blues and purples. Their coloration isn't just for looks, many nudibranchs use it as a warning to predators, signaling that they are toxic or distasteful. Some nudibranchs are even capable of producing mucus that acts as a barrier to defend against bacteria, parasites, and even fungi. So, not only are they stunning to look at, they're equipped with a tough and clever defense system. Then there's the sea hare, another type of sea slug that's often overlooked, but it has an interesting trick up its sleeve. When threatened, a sea hare will release a cloud of purple ink, much like an octopus, to confuse predators and make a quick getaway. Sea hares may not have the same showy colors as nudibranchs, but their ability to eject a dense, dark cloud of ink is their survival mechanism in the wild. This helps them escape from predators who might be hunting them for their soft, vulnerable bodies. And that's not all. Sea slugs have adapted to every ocean habitat imaginable, from the shallow, sunlit waters of coral reefs to the deep, dark ocean floors where light is scarce. The diversity of these creatures is nothing short of incredible. Take the California sea slug, one of the largest species, growing up to a meter long. With its large, muscular body, it moves with an elegance that contrasts its size, feeding primarily on algae and detritus. Despite its size, it's still capable of releasing defensive chemicals to ward off predators. Then, you have the tiny and almost invisible Placomiphorus, a species of sea slug so small that you'd need a magnifying glass to see it clearly. But don't let its size fool you. Sea slugs come in all shapes and sizes, each with unique strategies for survival, from camouflaging with their surroundings to producing toxins that keep would-be predators at bay. With over 3,000 different species, there's still so much we have yet to discover about their behaviors, abilities, and ecosystems. Each species has its own unique way of surviving and thriving, from the colorful camouflage slugs to those with defensive abilities so advanced they seem almost like something out of a sci-fi novel. Sea slugs are an example of nature's ingenuity, showing us how life can adapt, evolve, and surprise us in ways we never imagined. And just like the creatures that live in our oceans, we, too, are part of a larger ecosystem, a fragile one that needs our protection. So, next time you dive into the ocean, or even if you're just dreaming of it, remember that the world beneath the waves holds secrets that could rival anything on land. Sea slugs may be small, but their role in the marine ecosystem is huge. They help balance the food web, recycle nutrients, and maintain the health of coral reefs. With such diversity in the seas, there's still so much more to learn, and so much more to protect. From the depths of the ocean to the shallows where vibrant reefs flourish, these tiny creatures remind us of the beauty and complexity of the world beneath the waves. Because the world is full of wonders, like these tiny, mysterious sea slugs, that remind us how much there is still to discover. The ocean's mysteries are endless, and the more we explore, the more we understand how interconnected we all are. Together, we can protect these ocean wonders for generations to come. Thank you for joining us on this incredible underwater journey. Until next time, keep exploring.